Hello there. It's algebraic method. Lesson 1.2 algebraic fraction. Let's begin with multiplying and dividing. Simplify. 3 over 5 times 5 over 9. Let's cancel 5 with 5. It will be equal 3 over 9. Number B. A over B times C over A. Let's cancel A with A equals C over B. Number C. X plus 1 over 2 times 4 over x plus 1. It's equal. Let's cancel 2 with 4. It's 2. It's 1. X plus 1 cancelled with x plus 1 will be equal to C. X power 2 minus 2x minus 24 over 2x power 2 plus 10x times x power 2 minus 3x over x power 2 plus 3x minus 18. Let's remember how to factorize. Let's take x power 2 minus 2x minus 24. When I factorize it with two brackets, x squared will be x and x. At certain, let's look the sign. If it's negative, the signs of the two brackets will be different. The bigger one will take the mid sign. 6 times 4, it's 24, and they are different. The great one, 6 greater than 4, the great one will take middle sign. One positive, one negative. Negative 6x plus 4x, it will be equal negative 2x. يبقى it's equal. X squared minus 2x minus 24, it's open to brackets. X squared, x and x. Negative 24, 6 times 4 equal 24. The last term is negative. The two signs are different. One positive and one negative. The great one takes the middle sign. It's negative and it's positive. Over 2x power 2 plus 10x. There is a common. 2, it's common, and take x common. What's the remainder? 2, I take 2. X squared, I take 1. It will be x plus 10 over 2. It's 5. X over x1 times x power 2 minus 3x. Let's take x common. What's the remainder? I divide x power 2 over x. X power 2 over x, x minus 3x over x, 3 over x power 2 plus 3x minus 18. Let's make two brackets. X squared, it's x and x. Negative 18. Two numbers give me 18, and the difference between them 3. Why is the difference between them 3? Because the third term is negative here. It will take, the sign will be different. The great one takes the middle sign, it will be positive. It's 6 times 3. It's 6. And now let's cancel x minus 3 with x minus 3. X here, let's change the color. X here with x. Let's see what it gives us. It will be equal. X minus 3, x plus 4, x power 2 minus 2x minus 24 Let's remember how to factorize. X square, it will be x and x. Negative 24, I just want two numbers, the multiply of them equal 24, and the difference between them two. Why is the difference between them two? Because the last term is negative, sign of it, it's negative. They are give me different sign. When is negative, give me different sign. One negative, one positive. The great one of the two numbers, take the great one of the two numbers, it will be negative 24. It's 6 times 4. 6 times 4 equal 24. The difference between them equal to, okay, it would be 6 and 24. Sorry, 6 and 4. 6 and 4. Okay, let's make it negative. Make it negative. Let's remember x power 2 minus 3x minus 18. How to factorize it? It will be equal x squared, x and x. 18, I want two numbers give me 18 and difference between them 3. Why difference between them? Because the last one sign is negative. It's give me one negative and one positive. It would be 3 times 6. The difference between them 3. Okay, it will be 6 and it's 3. Okay, equal x power 2, let's open to bracket, it's x and x. Negative 24, it's 6 times 4, give me 24. The last sign, I tell it again. The last sign here is negative. The greatest one takes the middle sign, it will be negative and positive. And down, 2x squared plus 10x. Let's take 2x common. 2 times 2, it's 1. X power 2 over x, it will be x. Plus 10 over 2, it's 5. X over x1 times x power 2 minus 3x. Let's take x common. What's the remainder? It will be x power 2 over x. It's x minus 3x over x. It will be 3 over x squared, open to brackets, x and x. Negative 18. I just want two numbers. Multiply it multiply them equal 18, and difference between them 3. It's 3 times a. 3 times a. 3, sorry, times 6. It would be 6 and 3. How to put the sign? I do it again. The last one, it's negative. They must be different. The greatest one takes the middle sign. It's negative, it's positive. Now let's cancel. X minus x, x minus 6, cancel with x minus 6. It will be cancel x with x, cancel x with x. It will be x plus 4 times x minus 3 over 2, x plus 5 times x plus 3 times x plus 3. And it's finished. Number E. X plus 3 over x squared plus 10x plus 25 times x squared plus 5x over x squared plus 3x. It's equal x plus 3 over x power 2 plus 10x over 25 plus 25. Let's open two brackets, x and x. 25 is 5 and 5. The sign of the last one is positive. The two signs of the brackets are likes, and likes the mid one. It will be positive and positive. Times x squared plus 5x. Let's take x common. There is a common here, x and x. It's common. X squared over x, it will be x. Plus 5x over x, it's 5. And x squared plus 3x. Take x common. X squared over x, it's x. Plus 3x over x, 3. It's x plus 5. Cancel those x plus 5. X plus 3. Cancel those x plus 3. X cancelled with x. It's give me, it's 1, 1, 1. Give me 1 over x plus 5. And it's finished. Number M. X minus 4 over 6 times 2x plus 8 over x squared minus 16. X squared minus 16. Let's remember, x squared minus 16, when I factorize it, it's the difference between two squares. It will be x and x, 4 and 4, one positive, one negative. Number M. X minus 4 over 6 times 2x plus 8 over x squared minus 16. X squared minus 16. Let's remember x squared minus 16. When I factorize it, it's the difference between two squares. It will be x and x, 4 and 4, one positive, one negative. Okay, it's equal. X minus 4, I write x minus 4 over x times 2x plus 8. 2x plus 8. Here I take 2 common. Take 2 common. It's x plus 8 over 2. A over 2. It's 4. And under. It's the difference between two squares. It's x and x. 4 and 4. One positive and one negative. It's equal. Let's cancel. X minus 4 was x minus 4. X plus 4 was x plus 4. 6 over 2, 3. 2 over 2, 1. It's equal 1 over 3. Simplify. 10 over 5. 10 over 5. When I put it in simplest form, I must find number except divided by 10 and except divided by 5. It's 5. 5. 10 over 5. It's 2. 5 over 5. It's 1. It's equal to. Okay, number 2. X to 3 over x. It's equal. Here x it's power 1. When I divide it, I subtract the parentheses. When I divide it, I subtract the parentheses. It's x equals 3 minus 1. It's 2. Simplify. X minus 1 all to 2 over x plus 1. It's x minus 1 all squared. It's difference between two squares. It's difference between two squares. It's x minus 1 and x plus 1 over x plus 1. Cancelled x plus 1 with x plus 1. It's equal x minus 1. Number 4. Simplify. 3x power 4 minus 21x over 3x. It's 3x power 4 minus 21x. Let's take common. Let's take 3 common. 3x divided by 21 and x divided by 3. And x. It's 3 over 3. It's 1. X power 4 over x. X power 3. It's x power 3 minus 21 over 3. It's 7. X over x. It's 1. 7 over 3x. Cancel 3x with 3x. يبقى it's equal minus 7. It's finished. Let's move on. Simplify. X power 2 minus 2x minus 24 over x squared minus 7x plus 6. Let's remember x power 2 minus 2x minus 24. When I factorize it, open two brackets. X squared, x and x. 24, the sign of 24 here is negative. It means the two brackets, one will be negative, one will be positive. The greater one will take the sign of the middle. 24 here, 24 here, it's negative. It's negative, give me two different signs. One positive and one negative. I want a number. I want two numbers give me 24 and the difference between them two. It's 6 times 4. يبقى it's here, it's 6. Why 6 take negative? Because the mid sign is negative. And it's positive, it's take 4. Two signs of the brackets are likes and likes the middle one. It's negative and negative. 6, 6 and 1. It's 6 and 1. Negative 6x plus negative x, it gives me negative 7x. Just to remember. Let's factorize it again. X squared minus 2x minus 24. X squared, x and x. Negative 24, it's 6 times 4. It's 1, 6 and 1, 4. The sign of the last term is negative. Make me the two signs of the bracket are different and the greater one likes the middle sign. The great one here is 6. Take the mid sign, it's negative and it's positive. And down, let's open two brackets. X squared minus 7x plus 6, it's x and x. Last one, it's positive. It makes the two brackets are likes in signs and likes the mid one. If it's the mid negative, it will be negative. The two negative. It's 6. 6 times 1. 6 times 1 give me 7. Negative 6x. Negative x, give me negative 7x. It's equal. Cancel. X minus 6 was x minus 6. It would be equal x plus 4 over x minus 1. And it's the simplest form. To simplify, 2x squared minus 7x minus 4 over 2x squared plus 9x plus 4. It's equal. 2x squared minus 7x minus 4. Let's do two brackets. It's x and x. But where is the 2? It's 2x. Here, it's 2x. No, no, no. 2x squared, 2x and x. 4 4 times 1. The sign, the last one, the sign of it, it's negative. It's give me the two signs of the brackets are different. The greatest one will equal the mid sign. يبقى it's negative and it's positive. 2x 2x times 4 8x minus 1 give me negative 7x. Okay, over 2x squared, it's 2x and x. The 4 here give me 4 and 1. The last sign here is positive. It means the two signs of the bracket are likes and like the mid sign. It's positive and positive. Positive and positive. 2x times 4 8x plus x equal 9x. Now cancelled 2x plus 1 was 2x plus 1. It's equal x minus 4 over x plus 1. And thank you.